Hi guys, this is Manang ng Bayan. Ako po, I would like to show you how to make the Afritadang manok. Afritadang chicken. I would like to show you how to make it. Guys, this is your Manang ng Bayan. Good morning to everyone. Manang ng Bayan can cook, so you can cook too. Watch me how to do this. It's different way of cooking the Afritadang manok, okay? So take care guys. I hope that while you see, I make sure that this chicken, I chop it into cubes, and I want to show you that it's better to make it brown. Don't put the oil yet. Just make it brown, so that hindi po siya fishy smell, so that the smell will be good, not a fishy smell, okay? Not malansa. Kaya I make it brown, make sure that it's brown. And then this is I have to fry it. There's an oil already, and I have to put a little bit of oil only. Olive oil. We promote healthy living, healthy dishes. So, Manang ng Bayan is always show you the best way. Okay? And then I chop the garlic. While doing this, don't waste your time on preparing everything before you do it. My own way is different. Okay? So, this is my way. It's already. Yes. I put already the garlic. While waiting to make it brown, our garlic, make sure I have to, okay, so that you will see properly. Yes, this is your Manang ng Bayan. And while making it brown, the garlic, I have to put on onion. This is what I want you to do, guys. Garlic and onion is very important, and tomatoes in my kitchen. Manang ng Bayan's kitchen is different way, but please, every chef cook have different ways to cook things, but the outcome is almost the same. But remember, this is the way I cook Afritada manok, but your ways is different too. So just what's my own ways, and I love it this one. Okay, your Manang ng Bayan time is gold for me. That's why while I'm cooking, I do everything. But while the garlic is browning, I'll put this one now. You can slice this one. Don't prepare everything, but it's better. It's easy for you to do while you are cooking. Okay, and then when it's already, you see guys, brown, and you have to put this one now. It's brown already. This is the chicken breast, and I will cut it into cubes, and I brown it already, and I have to gisa here. Saute here together with that. Not too much oil, because too much oil is not healthy, but because of this is our it's a olive oil, so it's good, or coconut oil. That's the best way to cook things, okay? And it's healthy. While I'm doing this, I have to cut the potatoes. I will cut my potatoes. I peel off to make 2 potatoes. While gisa that, while sauteing that, you can, this is my own way. It's so easy for me, easy ways to do it. So while it's making it brown, and while it's, yes, just the time, okay? You can wait, it's so easy. You can do this in 20 minutes only, because I browned that already, the chicken. Okay, yes, another, okay, so easy, so fast while you are, okay. And then another, I have to do this. I have to cut potatoes, another potatoes, cut into cubes also. This is the technique when you are cooking, guys. When you make sure that everything is uniform, not perfect, but when you started you're cutting in cubes, everything, all the ingredients must be cubes. And if it's shredded, everything must be shredded. That's the technique of cooking, so that it will looks good. And also I have the chopped cubes carrot already, so I put all together. And then while I'm peeling, put you, see? And I put also these tomatoes. I bought it in Bruno's. This is already there. Everything is already there. There's a the 5 spices that Italian people always use, so it's already here. Basil, what else? Basil, pepper, already here. Okay, so I put all so that tomato sauce. This is tomato sauce. It's very important. And to put it in here. Look at guys. This is my Afritada chicken. Afritada chicken. Because I don't have the bell pepper, it's good to give some bell pepper. I don't have green, but okay, I have to put the and make it boil until like maybe 15 to 20 minutes is already okay. Chicken is easy to cook, but if you do the pork or beef or lamb, it's a little bit longer, but because it's chicken breast, so in 20 minutes is already done. And you know what I always use? This is already clean, celery. This is my favorite thing in my kitchen too, because the smell is very good, so I always put some celery. Celery is very important for me in cooking. I can put it in pancit, I can put it in chicken, I can put it in my salad, I can put it in fish, and if the smell is very good, that's why don't judge me for this, but this is the best, one of the best. If you put more of this, okay, and put all together, and I can add more, because if you are already old, you don't have to put salty, but just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then a little bit of salt. I have to put, and make sure in Asian countries, we always have that patis. That is very important. A little bit of patis or fish sauce. Okay, that's it. Very small. And to make the lasa more yummy, I have to add more of the onion. So Afritadang chicken. This is how I call the Afritadang chicken. This is the best for me. I really love this kind of way of cooking Afritada. Okay, and then I'll cover it now until you see it's covered, and then I have to go over until, and I put on when it's already boiling. The technique of a good cook, guys, or the taste is very good, is if you put something, make sure that it will be boiling, and after that you lower it and for 20 minutes, and I guarantee you the best and perfect. And if you want to put the bell pepper, red or green pepper later on, when it's almost ready, you can put it. Okay, bye for now. God bless you guys. Afritadang chicken. This is the way of your manang to cook this Afritada chicken. Okay, God bless you. If manang ng bayan can cook, you can cook too. Take care. See you again. Bye.